Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best waterproof GoPro selfie sticks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the waterproof telescoping extension pole, selfie stick. This is an all-black aluminum selfie stick for your GoPro camera. It's made from a waterproof aluminum material which makes it ideal for almost every activity. The adjustable wrist strap adds to its excellent design, while the fact that it can withstand extreme weather makes it ideal for daily use. Furthermore, it comes with an upgraded aluminum tripod mount which makes it a must-have item for all selfie aficionados. Given its versatile nature, this selfie stick is ideal for all GoPro cameras regardless of the model. Moving on, at number 4, we have the compact edition, 10-25, telescoping pole. Just like its earlier sibling, this is yet another impressive item from the renowned Sandmark Pole Company. It boasts a telescoping length of 10 to 25 inches and a weight of about 7 ounces. Of course, the extendable feature coupled with the lightweight construction makes it ideal for everyday use. This is a compact yet incredibly durable pole which offers adequate distance for you to capture excellent videos and images. And yes, it's ideal for various GoPro models including Hero, 4, 3, 2 and all HD cameras. At number 3, we have the waterproof telescopic pole and floating hand grip from the famous Cam Kicks company. This waterproof selfie stick for GoPro is another impressive product on the menu this year. And yes, it can either be used as a telescopic pole or as a floating hand grip. Its locking system allows you to adjust the length to suit your requirements, while the transparent material makes unrivaled photo and video taking experience. Also, this selfie stick is not just waterproof but can even float on water, which means that you won't have to worry about a thing when using it in the pool or at the beach. The bright color makes it extremely visible even from a distance. Alternatively, you can add water to its hand grip compartment to give the bobber excellent buoyancy while under the water. At number 2, we have the selfie stick tripod, 35.5, carbon fiber lightweight selfie pole monopod. On the 4th position, we have this 100% waterproof aluminum selfie stick for GoPro. It's compatible with Hero Session 1, 2, 4, and 5, which means that you won't be buying a new one every time you get a different GoPro model. Additionally, the selfie stick is super versatile, giving you direct mounting to cameras, phones, and tripods. It can be used with numerous other gadgets besides GoPro cameras. And yes, you can also use it with your phone, DSLR or camcorder. Its high-end material gives it a compact and lightweight nature which makes it quite portable and convenient for everyday use. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pole Metal Edition 15-50 waterproof extension stick for GoPro. The Selfie World's waterproof selfie stick scoops the 3rd tier position thanks to its unique design and excellent features. It boasts a compact and lightweight design which makes it extremely portable. The pole is ideal for all GoPro cameras as well as several other digital compacts and phones. This selfie stick introduces a genuinely universal design with the compatibility of up to 10 other devices. It offers a professional experience with a Bluetooth remote shutter, carabiners, and shoulder straps. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.